Hey guys, welcome to Home Built Workshop, proudly supported by Supercheap Auto, and this week we're going to get stuck into the shop press. Hey guys, so the shop press is a really handy bit of gear for the home workshop, and always make sure you're wearing some sort of eye protection when you are using this bit of gear, no matter what you're doing. Shop press can come in really handy for replacing bushings in suspension parts and things like that. I've already used it for replacing wheel hub bearings on my 911 build. If you are doing bearings, it's a really good idea to use heating and cooling. So if you can heat your hub up and put your bearings in the freezer, they will fit in much easier. So that's a good little tip. You can also use these for doing things like dimple dies, which is a really great look. I have to actually get some dimple dies for my fabrication, but for roll cages and stuff, dimple dies just look really cool, but they're also a good way of saving weight and keeping strength. But the best use, of course, is for fixing old cast areas. Alright guys, so that is the shop press. Fantastic, handy bit of gear for the garage, particularly when you want to crush stuff. Alright guys, till next time.